Hey, this is Kevin with Force Customs in Tampa, Florida. I have got one monster of a Gladiator to go over with you today. This is a 2021 Mojave Gladiator. We did a 6.5-inch EVO enforcer lift with all 8 adjustable control arms, Fox shocks, Fox hydraulic bump stops, got the drop brackets, front and rear adjustable track bars, FALCON adjustable steering stabilizer. It's got a drag link flip kit to get your steering geometry in line, as well as a bracket to move the adjustable track bar up for geometry as well. We added LED side lights, Quake 559 color changing headlights with halos. We have VPR 4x4 stubby front bumper, LED bars, LED fog lights. This thing is just massive. Now, it's not that difficult to get a Gladiator and just throw it up on some 6.5-inch lift and go drive it. The bad thing is when you actually drive it, because these things, as light as they are and as big as they are, it's tough to get them to drive right. So we've taken the time to do all the measurements, make sure everything's in the right geometry to be able to get this thing going down the road the right way. So we have 4-play 22x12 wheels with 40-inch by 1550 Nitto trail grapplers. Amp XL power boards. So you can see the Fox shocks there in the rear, and adjustable bars. Anti-rock off-road sway bar. This thing is extremely important. It keeps that back end just steady as can be. LED tail lights that are blacked out. MagnaFlow exhaust. And the amp power boards, which is about the only way you get in this thing. We did custom leather with the blue double diamond stitching. It's already pretty loaded out with some nice factory equipment. We have custom 1350 CV front and rear drive shafts. EVO supplies the braided brake lines. And the main thing is, this thing goes right down the road, 80 miles an hour, just as solid as can be. And the package that altogether makes it handle that way. You can't miss one of these changes, or you're going to get something that is scary to drive. And this, as big and bad as it is absolutely fun to drive. Force Customs, Tampa, Florida.